process step by step. So download the Git. Download the Git setup. Okay. So this setup is to do. So this setup download and run to it message and meditation or and click to GNU General Public License. Okay. Version 2 June 1991. So this is pre-software foundation financing 59 template place. So 313 Western NA USA. Okay. So this is primarily the information of Git. Okay. Click to next and click to next with the component should be installed. Additional icon on the desktop window explorer integration click right click blue tick to open Git base there open Git GUI GUI here Git LFS and a large file support click right click and associate git star configuration file the file with the default text editor associate.sh files to be run with base check daily for Git for window updates add a Git base profile to Windows terminal and scalar Git add onto the manage large scale response repository. Okay. So and transaction required to latest 335 MB disk space command disk space होना चाहिए जिसमें विंडो सी में सो डिस्प्ले में 365 MB का disk space होना चाहिए click to the next click to the next and choosing the SSL executor. So this secure shell client program would be like Git to use. Use bundle open SSH, use external open SSH. Bundle SSH, just use SSH dot execution that come with Git. Git के साथ हम SSH open कर सकते हैं and external open SSH just use external SSH dot execution Git will be not installed the one open SSH and related binary but use them as found on the path. Okay. So click to install. Could not uninstall previous versions and trying to continue anyway. Okay. So install the Git only show new option. To install the process of Git. Git the process of installation. So running post install script. So complete the Git setup job. Setup has finished install Git on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the install shortcut. So launch Git base, yeah, web release no. So you click to launch Git base. Okay, and finish. And this Git for this is introduction. Git release node discovery issues window release no issue license and changes April 14 2026 changes features come on the Git version base Git credential mi and tty Okay. Then bug fixes. This is a Git summary. Okay. And install the Git. This 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 screen option the Git. This is a create to the master. This is a Git either. The continuous build. Continuous Git continuous build. Check in Git continuous build. Okay. So first step is a Git. And next is a Jenkins. Okay. First create a Git. Check the Git version. Git space hyphen VERS2. Okay. Git version. So install the Git version 2.54.0 window 1. Okay. Git status. Git status. Nothing yet to comment but untrack file present a git add to track. And no not found with the git status. No any file. And git pull. So on branch git status you to git status on branch master branch. Okay. So on branch master. Your branch is behind origin master white 12 commits and can be fast forwarded. Use git pull to update your local branch. So this you to git add file as a git add file git space add from a file name page git add file name file name with git add algorithm git is good. So git add git status check the git status. My brand master to get kernel power git pull update on local branch. Use git pull git status on branch. So command is git pull to running the process. Enumeration object 146 done. This is a process object 0% data comparison using of .flex. Okay. Total 146 data, 55 reuse 131, delta 40, package reuse 0. So delta term says object is 100% success is done. Writing object 100% done. Total 146. Okay. So counting object 100% done. Delta comparison using up to top threads. Comparison object 99% is complete. So 100% is complete. Okay. Better sometime. So some time date. So so sudo sh sudo Jenkins install in Linux server. Linux server पे हमको Jenkins install करना है, तो sudo systemctl status jenkins.service. Okay, region enable Jenkins service enable present region enable. So and Java file task prepared and Jenkins CG group system and 2544 user with Java. So sudo systemctl start Jenkins.service status to check the status, and this is a Linux server. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins.service.